How to create your first ebook with Designer. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process of creating your ebook with Designer from scratch. First things first, you need to start the creation process, and you can do that simply by clicking the Start New Project button. Then choose the Import option, or you can start from a template. Remember that Designer is a tool for laying out your ebook quickly and easily. You should already have your content ready to go. But in this example, we'll import a post from our blog. Here's an example post from our website, and I'll copy the URL into my clipboard. Then back in Designer, I'll paste it here and click Fetch. I can also add a second or third URL here if I want to group a bunch of blog posts together in the same ebook. But for now, let's start with this one and then click Next. Note that your source content is stored in the Drafts tab here, so you can go back to it and make changes if need be. Now on this screen, you can choose a template. But before you do, you can preview a template in advance to see if it fits your needs. And it's important not to get hung up on templates, as you can change them afterwards. And you can also change anything in the styling too. What you can also change here is the page size. For example, if you're in the US, you probably want to select letter, or outside the US, perhaps A4. And again, this can be changed afterwards, so don't worry about making the right decision now. Select this template and click Use. Now your content is now combined with the template and opened in what we call the design editor. And here you can begin making changes to the layout of the ebook. Start from the top and work down, because our technology will constantly repaginate pages, and when you change things like fonts and images and add and remove paragraphs, we'll keep repaginating your ebook so that everything is laid out correctly. Now, we'll cover customizing your ebook in more depth in the next video, but take a note of these important points in order. Start with your font style, size and spacing, and get that all done using the left panel. And then note the Make Changes to All Element toggle, which means if you want to make global changes, then keep it to all elements. But if you want to make a change just to one element, then switch it off. Now set your chapter headings and section headings to H2 and H3, and then add and adjust images. And then finally, adjust your headers, footers, and change the cover pages. Now when you're happy with your ebook, it's time for the last step, publishing. And all you need to do is click the Publish button, choose the format you want your ebook to be in, for example, PDF, and then click Export. Of course, you can go back into your project, make more changes and publish again at any time. So there you are. Your first ebook is done, and congratulations.